Hey guys, we are in line at Value Village. We are going in there. We haven't hit up this one first thing in the morning in a while, so it'll be interesting to see what they have. The fact that they want $25 for this is ridiculous. Like, look at the wear on that. They should be pricing it based on condition, and that's not $25 worth. Brand new Juicy Couture, $24, and it took off the price tag. But Juicy is not in at all. At all. No market for Juicy. For me, anyway. Trying to look fast, because... Oh, this is cute. Tignanello, for sure. Tignanello, I can tell. Oh, it's Dkny, never mind. They have that Tignanello lining. $10, a little much for me. A lot of people don't know this, but Banana Republic has amazing leather. Kind of like Club Monaco. I would pick up this bag if it wasn't so worn and discolored, but very good quality leather. You guys remember this Louis Vuitton trunks and bags collection? I loved this collection. I think it came out in like 2008, but this isn't really a good fake, so we're gonna leave it behind. It feels really sticky. I would normally pick this up, but I don't know. I'm just kind of not feeling it, but it's a decent rep. Maybe, I don't know. What do you guys think? Well, maybe. Here's a Versus gift with purchase tote from Versace. Love, love, love this. Dkny Backpack with the leather trim. Oh, what is this? New, I can't read that. I just can't do backpacks anymore. I have so many, but this is so nice. This looks like 90s. And for $10, that is a deal. $11. Plus I have 30% off, but I just have way too many backpacks already. They're just pumping out all the fakes here today at the thrift store. If this looked more realistic and the inside was nicer, might have gotten it, but no.
The back one has tracking.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl, Miss Philly. We're on thrifting today. We ended the thrift week kind of on a downward spiral, but no, it's fine. We did pick up some stuff. There's stuff that I won't be able to show you based on YouTube standards. So if you want to see that stuff, head over to my Instagram and my selling page and I'll show you over there. But I will show you some stuff that we picked up. So the first bag we picked up was this. It's a Dkny leather tote. I really love this for fall and end of summer. It's kind of like this burnt orange and it's in great condition. No corner wear. You have the front pocket. I love this. I thought it was at first it was a Coach because it looked almost Coach-esque. But you have this little snap closure here, or sorry, buckle closure maybe, pocket. This is suede, which is nice. And you have that Tignanello kind of lining and very Coach, not Galaxy, Coach something. Legacy, I think it was. And it's just a big ass tote, like super fun, colorful pattern. And inside, in the back you have this zip pocket, which is nice. And we paid $17 less 30% off. So that was good. And it has feet, I believe, yeah. Okay, so this is my first time picking this up. I picked them up because they're in my size, if it doesn't sell. But these seem to be very popular. I know a lot of people who love them. They're super expensive. Birkenstocks, and usually when you get Birkenstocks, they're so like black here or darkened, but this one is actually not too bad. I got paid for them $40, and then I used a 20% off coupon. But I feel like they're in really good condition. These are a size 44, so it's kind of like an 11 and a half men's. Yeah, and I just need to wipe this down. I didn't know that Birkenstocks are faux leather. I thought Birkenstocks were real leather, but when I looked on the website, it says faux leather, so I don't know. It's a little bit weird to me. But yeah, retail on this is $130 plus tax, and I know Birkenstock, they were really comfortable. Like, I do like Like they're really embedded here. Like you have an area for your feet, and then it's like it really conforms to your feet, I feel. And the bottoms are like super like non I don't know what word that is. Dull, I think that's the word. But yeah, Birkenstocks. So we pay, I think, $34 for these. I don't mind keeping them for myself, but I really don't see myself wearing Birkenstocks. I mean, I could, but I mean, I'm gonna try and list them for $60 or $55. So we'll kind of like make about $20 off of it. So not a big room for profit, but I mean, yeah, I feel like it's a good size, and we'll clean them up really good. Next, we picked up this bag. A little bit more wear than I want, and a little bit dirty. Like it should be more like, look at that. I think I need to wipe it down profusely. And there's some like wear right there, but I feel like I'm gonna list this for like $10, $12. And I mean, we'll kind of just basically make like $4 or $5. And I know it feels like it's nickel and diamond, but I mean, it was a good price. And overall, it's in good condition. We'll wipe her down, moisturize her up, stuff her, make her look all pretty, and then someone will buy her for like $12. It's like a little sling crossbody bag that we got from Salvation Army. And then we picked this up. I kind of feel familiar with the brand. I've heard of it, Jill Sander, but it was only 99 cents, and I actually used my coupon for it. Those coupons that I'm using for 30% off, you can only use them 3 times, and I think 4 people have given me their coupons, so I've used 3 of them up, I think, and I used one of them for 30% off 99 cents. So I don't know. I know that I have a lot of makeup bags, so what did this ended up being like 80 cents, but I feel like I like it because it's like that mesh. So, and I love that hit of Jill Sander right in the front. I feel like it probably was a gift with purchase, but I don't know, I feel like it's kind of cool and kind of cute, and I'll utilize it somehow. Or maybe give it as a gift with purchase when someone buys something for me. Okay, the last thing that we got, well, I guess this is it. And it's like a baggy thing. It's a baggy thing. I picked it up because Brita water filters. They're super expensive. I actually just purchased some from Shoppers Drug Mart, like a pharmacy. I picked up like 3 for $20. And that was on sale, I think. So the fact that this comes with 2 deal, it was only like $3.99, and it comes with the slow cooker liners. I feel like I can utilize that as well, because I do cook stuff in my slow cooker or like in the oven. And I don't know what these are. These are scented garbage bags. Why am I excited about scented garbage bags? I don't know, but I mean, 2 brand new water filters for Brita, 2 kitchen scented garbage bags, and they're all brand new, and slow cooker liners for $4. You can't go wrong with that, motherfucker. Deal and a half on that. Anyway, like I said, the other stuff I can't show you, but feel free to go over to my selling page, Miss Philly selling page on Instagram, and you could see it over there. And yeah, that's all that we thrifted today. It was a good thrift week. I mean, we ended kind of anticlimactic, but overall, I enjoyed my thrift week. We picked up a lot of stuff, a lot of good stuff, a lot of stuff that has sold. So I'm very happy. We were blessed this week by the thrift gods. But yeah, that's that. I hope you guys have a good weekend. I'm going to try to make the best of it. And I don't know if there's going to be a video tomorrow. We'll see. Hopefully, probably won't be, but I wanting to upload videos even on the weekend. I just don't know what to do. And then sometimes it's just like, what am I going to show? I'm not going to be thrifting on the weekend. So anyway, guys, don't forget to remain positive, productive, and progressive. Keep manifesting those motherfucking dreams. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.